I just used Datasette to implement semantic search on a SQLite database with 5,000 documents. I wrote a little tutorial here, but I want to show you how I did that. This is my database with 5,000 recipes, and you see when I load this into Datasette, it makes it really easy for me to enable full text search. So I could go ahead and search for comfort food. I very quickly get back to results. But because this is full text search, it's actually giving me results where the words comfort food show up literally in the documents. So something I love about Datasette is I can develop these custom SQL queries that allow me to also pull in from Python libraries and install additional functionality. So I wrote this custom SQL query that first creates an embedding on the user query. So in this case, we're going to take that term comfort food. We're going to create an embedding that kind of stores the underlying meaning of that term. And then we're going to take that embedding and we're going to see what are the approximate nearest neighbors to the embeddings that we calculated on every recipe in our database. So let's go ahead and do that with comfort food. We will need an API key. Go ahead and run that query super quick, and we get back 10 great results. We get this chicken soup, we get this chicken cacciatore, even this funny like chamomile tequila drink. So yeah, I'm really having a blast working with Datasette. What it's shown me is that this part of the RAG process, a lot of people are using vector databases for, and that might not be necessary. You might be able to spin up a really quick, cheap, efficient semantic search using just a SQLite database. So check out this tutorial and check out this option to spin up this kind of vibe-based search using this open source tool Datasette.